Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Emby server and remote access with reverse proxy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your Emby server with remote access using a reverse proxy, start by ensuring you have a download the latest version of Emby server from the official website. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions specific to your operating system. Once installation is complete, launch the Emby server application. On the setup screen, create an administrator account by entering your preferred username and password. Next, configure your media libraries by selecting the folders that contain your media files. After library setup, finalize the initial configuration by following the prompts. Once your Emby server is up and running, take note of the local IP address and port number. To enable remote access, log into the Emby server dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section and find the Remote Access tab. Enable remote access by selecting Enable Remote Access. Make sure to configure the appropriate network settings on your router to allow external connections. Next, set up a dynamic DNS service if your external IP address changes frequently. Now, it's time to configure the reverse proxy. Choose a reverse proxy solution, such as Nginx or Apache, depending on your preference. If using Nginx, install it on your server or supporting device. Access the Nginx configuration file, usually found in the /etc/Nginx/sites available directory. Add a new server block to configure Emby as a reverse proxy. In the server block, specify the server name as your domain and the port is 443 for HTTPS connections. Define the location block to pass requests to your Emby server's local IP address. Include SSL certificate configurations for secure connections. Save the changes and test the Nginx configuration file for any errors. If all configurations are correct, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Now, navigate to your domain name in a web browser. You should see the Emby server interface, indicating successful setup. Log in with the administrator account to ensure everything works as expected. To enhance security, consider enabling authentication methods for better access control. Your Emby server is now set up with remote access via a reverse proxy, ready for streaming media from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.